How to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Snapchat, click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. And in Settings, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Contact Me and click on Contact Me. After you click on Contact Me, if the blue tick is in Friends and Contact, make sure it's Friends only. After you change it to Friends, Contact from your contact won't be able to send you friend request or chat. And this is how to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.